In this video, I want to go over a few things that could cost you a ton of money with your RV. And I'm not talking about decals, even though mine could use some work. Looking for wonderful places to camp? Then use LIFE Campgrounds. Find information, reviews, tips and tricks, and more. And unlock even more features with an RV Life Pro subscription by scanning the QR code on the screen or by clicking the link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you so much, RV Life Campgrounds, for sponsoring this video. We're going to talk about some things that, if not taken care of, could cost you a lot of money and quite possibly your safety. And these are all things that you can do at home. It only takes a little bit of your time. And let's be real, owning an RV can be a physical activity. I really need to fix these decals. Can you suggest any decals for my RV? If so, leave them in the comments section. I'd love to see them. The first item I want to talk about is your hitch. This applies to whether you have a truck or a motorhome, because most of the time motorhomes are pulling something. You're pulling it with that hitch, and you want to make sure that it functions correctly. If there's any kind of rust, take care of it. If you need any new pins, replace them. This could save you a massive headache down the road. These hitches tow quite a bit of weight, and it's the only thing connecting the trailer to your truck. And while you're at it, go ahead and check your 7 and your 4-way connectors. Make sure that these are in good shape and functioning, because if you notice on the 7-way it says electric brakes. This runs power to your trailer brakes. The next one is an obvious one, but it is your tires. Make sure your tires are in excellent condition. Also, make sure they're not too old, and make sure you cover your tires when you're not using them. Remember your tow vehicle as well. And don't forget your spare. This is probably one of the most important items on your RV maintenance schedule. Moving right along is our water heater. You need to stay up on your water heater, because if this is not taken care of, you'll be replacing it. You see, there's quite a bit that goes on in here. And in this particular model, there's an anode rod. And the anode rod is what protects the inside of the water heater from damaging itself. It is required to replace this anode rod. Now, some water heaters do not have an anode rod, but you should still clean it, drain it, and there's a whole process on that. But this is extremely important to take care of, because these things are easily several hundreds of dollars, if not almost $1,000, and then you have to install it or get somebody to install it. Just a headache. Just take care of it. Here is a big one: your slide seals. You have seals that go all along the slide, and when the slide is in, there is a seal that pushes against the outer wall. And when the slide is out, there's a seal on the inside of the slide that makes contact with the inner wall. All of these seals need to make contact, and they need to be in great condition to keep the water out. Our next item takes us about 12 feet up, and that is your roof. Make sure you inspect your roof. You don't want any leaking skylights, leaking fans, leaking anything up here. This one thing can destroy your RV unless you make significant repairs and catch it early. And let me tell you, water does not care how much you paid, and it does not matter what year it is. And if you're lucky, maybe no damage will take place, or at the very least, minimal damage. I'm getting ready to clean my roof, and it will look brand new when I'm finished. And when I say roof, I also mean your slides roof. If at any point some of this is just too much for you, get a friend, or if you absolutely have to, bring it into an RV center and let them take a look for you. Although you may spend some money up front, there's a chance it can save you a lot of money down the road. I just want to spread awareness that there are some things that go unchecked, and if they go unchecked for too long, could in the end cost you your dream of RVing, or in some way or another hurt other people. And we don't want that. We want a relaxed lifestyle that's a lot of fun, where we're able to see things. And that's what we're going to keep doing, right? It only takes a little bit of time. And if there are repairs, catch them early, and it will cost you a lot less money. Doing it yourself, you can learn quite a bit, and there's nothing better than knowing your equipment. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know if any of these tips helped you. Thank you for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.